at the Bay Arena. Lights Out takes you to the city that never sleeps, New York City. Get ready for a night in the Big Apple. From our Times Square NYE countdown, all the way through an all-night visual showcase by Pure Media. From Manhattan, Luke Adams, guiding you on a tour of the big city sights. From Brooklyn, Ziggy, showcasing the industries of New York. From the Bronx, DJ Ruby, taking you through the city's transportation system with his exclusive audio-visual perception showcase. From Queens, Alvin G, introducing you to the people of New York. The Bay Arena will be kitted out with New York City-themed decor, pyrotechnics, massive projections, a Martin audio sound system, 2 elevated VIP stages, and more. Tickets available from Eden Cinemas, all Pull & Bear outlets, Ryan's Pub, and online at www.showshappening.com. This New Year's Eve, Lights Out, New York City.